Hey folks, WeFire88 here, back with another fan video, and what we're looking at here today is this 48-inch Emerson heat fan industrial ceiling fan, or commercial grade, whatever this thing is. And yes, I know it's not that heat fan that we know and love, but this is the newer one that they offered in the mid-2010s, I believe, is when this one was made. Let's look at this tag here. $72 watt. Yeah, that is just a company we used to know. Unfortunately, it sucks that they are no longer making fans. Okay, so 2013. All right, good to know. Suitable for solid state. Oh, the motor's ass. Okay, that's a good sign. But anyway, this fan is really not in bad shape. We got this fucking shit going on. I'm not even sure what is going on here. I've tried to pop that back in, but it just won't sit back in. As you can see, the blades are rolled edge so you don't hit your arm and it doesn't puncture you or whatever. Blades are pretty narrow, I must say. A little scraped up, but whatever. Yeah, not a bad looking fan. But let's see what this thing will do. I've never owned another one of these. I do know that these exist in 56 and 48. Like this one here. I'm pretty sure I've heard of 36-inch versions of these too, but they're, I think, extremely rare. But I see the 48 and the 56 most common. But yeah, for testing purposes, I have this on a Fasco 4-speed control, non-capacitor based, and here's speed 4, which is low. Picked this up from Habitat. Yeah, I don't know if I told you guys yet, but I picked this up from Habitat a few weeks ago. I actually picked it up with the Lady Delta that I got. But it isn't a shabby fan. For some reason, the set screws are missing for this thing, and I don't have some set screws that like fit. They're like, for some reason, fat, like stubby screws, I think is what they are. But they're missing, and it does wobble a little bit because of that blade, but it's a lot better than it was before because I did tweak it. Nice low speed, it's not too quick or nothing. Getting a good little breeze from it right now, as a matter of fact. Yeah. Take it up to medium low. Yeah, once it gets going a lot quicker, it doesn't really wobble that bad at all. And as far as I can hear, it's dead quiet and the bearings are in good shape. No hissing, no grinding. None of that. Hold on, I could have lied. Nah, I was hearing things. Thought I heard bearing noise from this. Thought I lied to you guys for a second there. But no, this thing's dead quiet. Take it up to medium high now. I must say, this thing runs pretty good. It's moving a good amount of air already. I typically see these things like in 56 inch, and they're never really running that fast. If they're in an environment where it's just, you know, high speed only, they're usually running slow. So I don't think these fans are exactly durable. Like, they don't last. I don't know. Plus, I haven't seen too many of these, but like when I do see these, they're usually running with bad capacitors. My high school gymnasium used to have has a 56 inch one with a cage around it, and it has a bad cap, and it runs like it's on low speed, but it's just on off. That's it for that one, but it's got a bad cap. 50, yeah. Man, the ADHD is ADHD in today. Alright, so we'll take this up to high now. Okay. A little bit of wobble to it, but it's nothing. Yeah, this thing runs quick. Runs good. Nice breeze from it. We'll do a distance test to see how much air we're exactly pushing. Okay, that's actually really good. Like, I can feel like it feels like I have a small desk fan in front of me right now back here, and I'm over by where my wood stove is, so I'm about 20 feet away from it. It's as far back as I can go, really, but moving a good amount of air, that's for sure. It's making that thing move. That never happens. Yeah, you can, like, there's reference to tell you how powerful this thing is. These industrials really aren't that bad. Getting a good amount of air from it. Other than that blade having the rivet popped out, it's like perfect. Doesn't really wobble at all. Yeah, what a powerful little tyke. I'm really enjoying this thing on high right now. I don't know about you, but this thing is nice on high speed. But I gotta do spin down on this thing, so that's what we're gonna do right now. So here's spin down. Spin down in 3, 2, 1. Yeah, quick fan. This is a great little fan. I definitely would recommend these to anybody that's trying to collect more industrials or something. If you come across one of these in 48 inches, they're definitely worth it. And this thing's from 2013, so that's really good in my opinion. This thing was moving quite a bit of air. I would say it honestly, it's quite close to a gold line in my book. It's quite close to a gold line, but I could be wrong. Who knows? But that's just my opinion. Yeah, not a bad fan at all. Really impressed with this. Bearings are in very good shape. Nice long spin down. Good bearings. Yeah, I always see these things in 56 inches. Very rare in 48. But every time I see these, they're always running like they have bad caps. Like they're always running on the same speed or... yeah. I don't know. But like I said, that one in my high school gymnasium has had a bad capacitor for ages now, and it just continuously runs on what looks like low, but it's actually just supposed to be on high. But yeah. Anyway, guys, I hope you enjoyed the video of this powerful little tyke, and I will see y'all in the next video. Bye.